Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What's that cool little sign we got going here? This is a House of Lords blended whiskey sign. It's basically on a board. It's been printed on here. You can see that the graphics are in front, but it's really in nice shape, nice and clean, nice sign. It's got the hanger and also can sit up on a counter. It was meant for retail. So if you are into whiskey in general, or the House of Lords, or just advertising, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.